Hello guys, this is my first lecture and you see this is the Excel sheet, and this is the Excel windows on which we will work, and these are the cells in the Excel, and it's also called cells, and these are the alphabets. These are called number of columns, and as you see the number of rows, it is denoted by the numbers 1 2 3. And now I will tell you the address, like the address of this cell is A1. In a similar way, if we select a different address and different cell like this cell, then the address of this cell is D5, because the name of the column is D and the name of the row is 5. That's why the address of the cell is D5. Now I will tell you, or I will make a mark sheet of the students, in which the first I write serial number, then I will write name, then total marks and obtained marks, and the column which is not fitted, so we have to double click on it, then it gives space to the word, then I write 1 or 2. As you see, we have given a sequence to the Excel, then we have to just select all and scroll it, then it will auto generate the sequence. Then I will give the name Alex, uh, second one is Tom, third one Mark, and the last John. The marks which I allocate is 100. As you see, we have given only 100, then we have to just scroll down and all will be given 100 marks. I will randomly put the numbers like 95, 43, 56 and 98. Then these are the Excel sheet or mark sheet we have. Then I select the whole 4 columns, or I will select the whole and then I click on the center, then all the alphabets will be shown in the center part as you see in the Excel sheet. Then I will select the 4 bars and click on bold letter, then it will look like bold letters. Then I write total. Yeah, total, not only a total. I will select 2 boxes to combine in one, then you have to just click on merge and center, then as you see it become one box. Then we put a formula like equals to sum, then select the whole numbers, bracket close and enter. As you see, it generates 400. In the same sense, we do here equals to sum greater than or, and enter. Then we have to select the whole row and centralized it. Then I create a box, then I do the same for this bowl, and then I will select the whole box and I create a border between all the boxes. Yeah, as it is shown. Now I show you the formula, which is equals to sum or parenthesis open and the whole number I write it here so that you can see it easily. As you can see this, yeah, the whole mark sheet is ready now, and all the process I've done. And if you like the video, then subscribe it and like it. Thank you.